If you rely on your phone to wake up on time, learning how to set an alarm on Galaxy A56 will make your mornings easier. The Clock app lets you create alarms with custom sounds, names, and even music from Spotify. Here's how to set an alarm on Galaxy A56. Open the app drawer and tap the Clock app. At the bottom of the screen, tap Alarm. Then, tap the plus icon to create a new alarm. Set the time and date for when you want the alarm to go off. You can also enter a custom name to label it. Next, tap Alarm Sound to choose how it will ring. You can select from the available ringtones, use Bixby alarm to have the phone announce the time and weather, or even pick a track from Spotify for a more personalized wake-up. Setting a custom alarm on Galaxy A56 is simple, and it gives you the flexibility to wake up the way you want. If this video helped you set up your alarms, please give it a like, or watch another Galaxy A56 tips to learn more.